Networking and building meaningful connections is an art that goes beyond simply exchanging business cards or adding contacts to a social media platform. It involves creating genuine relationships based on mutual respect, shared interests, and trust. The ability to network effectively can open doors to countless opportunities in both your personal and professional life. In a world where connections often translate to career advancements, collaborations, and support systems, mastering this skill can truly be life-changing. At its core, networking is about giving before you receive. People often approach networking with a "what can I get out of this?" mentality, but the most successful connectors understand that offering value first creates stronger and longer-lasting relationships. This value might be as simple as sharing useful information, introducing two people who can benefit from knowing each other, or simply being a good listener. When people see that you're genuinely interested in their success and well-being, they naturally want to reciprocate. Authenticity plays a vital role in networking. Pretending to be someone you're not or putting on a facade to impress others is a surefire way to undermine your efforts. People are drawn to those who are genuine and sincere. Being authentic means showing up as your true self, sharing your unique perspective, and being honest about your goals and challenges. It's okay not to have all the answers or to be at the top of your game. What matters is your willingness to connect on a real level. Listening is one of the most underrated yet powerful skills in networking. When you engage in conversations, make a conscious effort to really listen to what the other person is saying rather than thinking about your next response. This not only helps you understand their needs and interests but also shows that you respect and value their input. Active listening involves asking thoughtful questions, acknowledging their points, and sometimes even summarizing what they've shared to ensure you've understood them correctly. Building connections requires effort and consistency. It's not enough to meet someone once and expect a strong relationship to develop overnight. Follow-up is crucial. After meeting someone, whether at an event, through an introduction, or online, take the time to send a thoughtful message expressing your appreciation for the conversation and suggesting ways to stay connected. This could be as simple as scheduling a coffee chat, sharing an article relevant to their interests, or inviting them to another event where they might meet more valuable contacts. One of the best ways to network effectively is to focus on quality over quantity. Attending large events and collecting as many business cards as possible might seem productive, but it's often more beneficial to have a few meaningful conversations with individuals who align with your goals and values. Building deep, authentic connections with a smaller group of people can yield far greater results than superficial interactions with a large crowd. Having a clear intention when networking is essential. What are you hoping to achieve? Who do you want to connect with, and why? When you know your objectives, it's easier to navigate conversations and steer them in a direction that serves both parties. However, it's important to strike a balance between being intentional and remaining open to unexpected opportunities. Some of the most valuable connections come from serendipitous encounters. Personal branding is another critical aspect of successful networking. Your brand is how people perceive you based on your actions, communication, and presence both online and offline. Being clear about your values, expertise, and unique selling points helps people understand what you stand for and how they might benefit from knowing you. This doesn't mean you need to create a false image of yourself, it's about being intentional in how you present your authentic self. Social media platforms, particularly LinkedIn, have revolutionized the way we build and maintain professional connections. Leveraging these tools effectively involves more than just sending connection requests. Engage with content, share your insights, and participate in meaningful discussions. When you add value to online communities, people naturally take notice and become more inclined to connect with you. Another key element of networking is generosity. When you approach networking with a spirit of giving rather than taking, you position yourself as someone who adds value to others' lives. This might involve mentoring a colleague, sharing knowledge freely, or simply being supportive and encouraging. People remember those who help them without expecting anything in return, and this goodwill often leads to unexpected benefits. Patience is essential when it comes to networking and building connections. Not every conversation will lead to an immediate opportunity, and that's okay. Relationships take time to develop, and some connections might only bear fruit years down the line. The key is to nurture these relationships consistently, even when there's no immediate benefit in sight. Staying in touch through periodic check-ins, holiday greetings, or updates about your own journey can help keep these connections alive. Networking events can be intimidating, especially for introverts. The key to overcoming this challenge is preparation. Before attending an event, research the attendees, speakers, and topics. Prepare a few conversation starters and questions that demonstrate your interest and knowledge. It's also helpful to set realistic goals for yourself, whether it's meeting 3 new people or having one meaningful conversation. Rejection is a natural part of networking. Not everyone will respond positively to your efforts to connect, and that's okay. Instead of taking it personally, view it as an opportunity to learn and refine your approach. Keep in mind that people are often busy, and their lack of response might have nothing to do with you. Resilience and persistence are key to building a strong network. Mentorship is a powerful form of networking. Seeking guidance from those who have achieved what you're striving for can provide invaluable insights and support. At the same time, being a mentor to others helps solidify your own knowledge and positions you as a valuable resource within your network. The best mentor-mentee relationships are mutually beneficial and based on respect and open communication. Attending industry conferences, workshops, and seminars is a great way to meet like-minded individuals and stay updated on trends in your field. These events often provide opportunities for both formal networking and casual conversations. Don't hesitate to introduce yourself to speakers or panelists whose insights you admire. They're often more approachable than you might think. Storytelling is a powerful tool for building connections. Sharing your experiences, challenges, and successes in an authentic way helps people relate to you on a deeper level. Everyone loves a good story, and when you can communicate your journey compellingly, you're more likely to leave a lasting impression. Diversity is another important consideration in networking. Building a network that includes people from different backgrounds, industries, and perspectives can lead to more innovative ideas and opportunities. Don't limit yourself to only connecting with people who are similar to you. Embrace the richness that diversity brings. Networking isn't just about professional relationships. It also encompasses friendships and personal connections. These relationships often provide the emotional support and encouragement needed to navigate life's challenges. Surrounding yourself with positive, inspiring individuals can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. In the digital age, maintaining connections requires a blend of online and offline interactions. While social media makes it easier to stay in touch, face-to-face interactions still hold immense value. Whenever possible, schedule in-person meetings to deepen your relationships and build stronger bonds. Gratitude is a cornerstone of effective networking. Expressing appreciation for people's time, insights, and support strengthens relationships and fosters goodwill. A simple thank you note or message can go a long way in making someone feel valued and respected. As you build your network, it's important to stay true to your values and maintain your integrity. Relationships built on trust and authenticity are far more valuable than those based on manipulation or ulterior motives. Being honest, reliable, and respectful will earn you a reputation as someone worth knowing. Ultimately, the art of networking and building connections is about creating a community of people who uplift, inspire, and support one another. When you approach networking with authenticity, generosity, and a genuine desire to add value, you'll find that the connections you build become a powerful asset in achieving your goals and living a fulfilling life. Whether you're just starting out on your journey or looking to expand an existing network, these principles can help you forge meaningful relationships that stand the test of time.